Yo, haha, Miltnificent. What is good, YouTube? Your boy Miltnificent coming back with another review, man. Today we got the Nike Mind 001 Mule Triple Black on the Miltnificent channel. I'm going to go momentarily as to why Nike made that transition from the whole Nike Mind box, the original box. People are noticing that they're no longer seeing this, and that's for good reason. You are actually seeing the orange box. Now, before people make speculation as to why they went from this transition to this transition, understand that when Nike Mind 001's Mule and the Nike Mind 002 shoes came out, which is these, you can see that they all have the 22 nodes at the bottom. The idea behind the actual invention is that it's supposed to create pressure points, 22 nodes that'll create pressure points on the bottom of your foot, and it's supposed to calm the nerve of your whole mind. But at the same time, when you look at this box, if you have this box from the original releases or the original colorways from the previous renditions or the previous releases, would suggest you to keep it, because I feel like this will be a collector's item in the future. So long story short, the way I understand it, that Nike decided to scale down on the cost of production for the Nike Mind 001, 002 series. So you see this whole, I want to say it's like a, you can see the footprint and the design that was done on this. I guess it cost them a lot to produce a box like this versus the standard Nike box. So they're cutting down on the cost. And the availability of the Nike Mind 001 and the 002 series in different colorways is a little bit broader than it was before. You know, people got tired of the limited releases and things like that. Well, if you have the Nike Mind 001 box, or you put this down here, if you have the Nike Mind 002 box, which is this is a little bit bigger in terms of size. Let me put this side by side. This is both size 13, but you can see that one box is bigger. One carries the shoe, one carries the mule. So that is why we are seeing the Nike Orange standard box. Future releases will be coming out with different colorways, and you'll see more of a transition that way. That said and done, man, let's get straight into it. Nike Mind 001 Mule Triple Black. Got this directly from the Nike app, so anybody wondering, you can see the purchase right here. I'm excited about this because I gave my last Nike Mind 001 Flyknit Hyper Royals to my son. So while this has a knit upper with a foam combination in terms of the design, the only difference is that kind of like that slab at the top of the actual mule is Flyknit versus this one, which is just regular knit. So let's just open this bad boy up and take a look. I won the Triple Black series because this is one of the easiest ones to wear out of all the colorways. So let's take this out. Yeah, buddy. And for those that are wondering, so you'll see the sticker that's going to come on the standard orange box, but it also has the RFID tag that's kind of inside with a QR code. And when you open that QR code with your camera, you'll see a screenshot here. It opens up the Nike app, and it's supposed to display the product of, you know, your purchase. But if it's sold out, typically you'll see something like this. It'll say product unavailable, just an FYI. Now, let's get straight into this. And I will say, the Triple Black series is exactly what I expected it to be. In terms of production, do I feel a difference between this and the Flyknit Hyper Royals that I did before? Yes. And I don't know, it's just because it could be the color. So let me take this out. Got some inserts in here. The reason why I'm saying this is the foam density feels a little bit softer. Again, I don't know if that's just the color, because usually when colors are involved, when you're foaming, or at least when you're creating the foam of these designs for these shoes, some colors you'll notice kind of like Yeezy slides. You'll notice that some feel stiffer than others. This one feels extremely soft. Again, this is the Triple Black. I can't say for the other colorways, but I can say when I do a comparison in terms of feel, I can already tell this feels a lot more plush in terms of foam density. So the tag, this is what I want to get at. There's a tag that's on here. Somebody told me about this. You can see that the tag, the Nike tag on the actual mule is I want to say it's orange. This orange matches the box. So just keep that in mind, and hopefully when you're doing your checks, that you're looking out for certain things, just dropping jewels. But this is the knit portion that they're talking about, that kind of combines the whole foam at the top, the upper foam. This is kind of like a TPU design, but it also has like a rubber Nike swoosh on the actual lateral side as well as the top of the actual shoe. But this is where the what I was talking about in terms of the 22 nodes at the bottom. What I like about this is each step you take, and you'll probably see this, you're supposed to feel it on the footbed of the actual slide itself. I will say that to say this, although the foam is a lot more, it has a fabric design on the inside, as long as you're taking a step, the node itself, like each individual node, you'll feel it puncturing a little bit. But I've said this in my previous videos, I felt like if you really want to have that full effect of a node puncturing your foot, the shoe would be the better option. Because in this version, your foot is inside, it's contained, it's locked in, so it's locked down towards the actual inside of the actual shoe. So the node, you'll feel it hitting the bottom of your foot. Whereas this, because it's not as much of a lockdown, you're gonna have some free play in the back. You may or may not feel it depending on how much weight that you're putting towards on the actual slide. But it's definitely comfortable, don't get me wrong. This, I would say, when it comes to the Nike Mind 001 Mules, typically I would definitely recommend, ooh, this is soft. I would definitely recommend going at least a half size or a full size up. But if you do the Nike Mind 002, would also definitely recommend you going true to size. Because you're gonna have you're gonna have more room in the shoe than you do in the Mule, and that's just by design. Just keep that in mind. But the Triple Black series, man, you'll see this in the natural light. This thing is amazing. I wanted this version just because, and having let's put this right here, and having, I think this was the Crimson, but the Nike Mind 002, and having this one, this is dope. It's just that orange makes it pop, whereas this is more simplistic. I have to worry about the nodes and trying to mismatch something with the actual clothes that I have. This is going to be the easier one to wear out of all of them. It has 22 black nodes, black on black. I love this. Very excited to have this. We're going to do that on feet. But comment below, man. Let me know. What do you think about the whole Nike Mind 001 Triple Black series? Did it feel like on this past release, did it feel like there were more available than previous history? And again, don't forget, if you have the previous releases that were limited with the Nike Mind 001 and the 002 box, definitely keep that, because I feel like down the road that could be a collector's item for people that collect shoes and things like that. You can say, hey, I had one of the originals before they transitioned to the Nike orange box. But your boy Miltnificent, man, just looking right there, you can see before I do that on feet, it does say, you'll see a screenshot. Within that fabric design, it says Nike Mind, at least the Nike Science Department, conducted previous tests and stuff like that. You can see like their tag and how it's all built, although that's the actual shoe, not the Mule. But previous tests, scientists conducting basic, I want to say, neural tests, as players would constantly, not players, but people would kind of like jog, and you kind of see how the brain is working. And after the exercise, you know, how the functionality of the actual Mule itself, in terms of the nodes hitting your foot and how your brain responds each step you take. You'll like these. You'll definitely like this. Hopefully you'll get this. You'll see more releases in, I want to say, in September. It's supposed to be another array of different releases with a broader amount of pairs available. And they should be coming in the standard Nike orange box. It is what it is. But your boy Miltnificent, man, I am out. Let's do that on feet. Nike Mind 001 Triple Black Mules on the Miltnificent channel. I look forward to this. You guys, stay blessed.